Hi and good day everyone. Today we are here to do our second video for LEX 2067, which is about the first popular hangout spot that my group has chosen, which is about Jonker Street. So without further delay, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Indumadi Marialagan and my metric number is B10830.
Hello everyone, my name is Kuguneshwari Ganesan. My metric number is B10829.
Hi everyone, my name is Marisa Subramaniam and my metric number B10815.
Hi everyone, my name is Tulashni Ravindran. My metric number is B10824.
Okay, firstly, let us see about the location of Jonker Street.
Okay, uh, Jonker Street is in the best location, which is in Malacca, the main center street of Chinatown. It was once renovated for its antique shops. However, over the years, it has turned to clothing and crafts outlets as well as the restaurants. The best part of Jonker Street is the night market on Fridays and Saturdays that sells everything from tasty treats to cheap keepsakes and the best place to hang out with our loved ones. Basically, the Jonker Street is lying between two states, which is Johor Bahru and Negeri Sembilan. Melaka served as an ideal trading destination in the early history of Malaysia, attracting Indians, Chinese, and Asians leaders in huge numbers. The place is home to historic architectures and diverse mixture of cultures, ethnic tourists from every corner of the world. The place was first very occupied by Chinese immigrants, then led to the foundation of Chinese observance and festivals that are still prevalent these days. Chinatown in Malacca serves as a popular tourist destination and it's still a place for everyone to be hang out. Wealthy trade which took the place in Malacca city is quite evident from the colonial architectures that still stands today. There are basically two sections of the city, which is Old Malacca and New Malacca. Older part of the Malacca is famous for the historical attraction and is fairly compact. The other parts of Malacca, which is New Malacca, can be considered as a New Malacca lies across Malacca River, which is near to the Jonker Street. This place is perfect reflection of the modern day architecture and lifestyle. There are lots of shopping centers in the Jonker Street and entertainment facilities available in New Malacca as well. Just outside the town, there are quite a few beaches as well as offshore islands, accompanied by a golf course and resorts. So overall, the Jonker Street is the best location for everyone to come from another states and hang out with the loved one. That's all for me.
Okay, I continue. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the facilities. There are many facilities, but I choose just one only, that is accommodation. So that is a hotel. So in Jonker Street, there are a lot of visitors and spoiled are choose when it is come choosing an accommodation that is within their budget, strategically located and acts like the perfect retreat after a long day exploring the historical city of Malacca. Most hotels in Jonker Street are strategically located within a walking distance of Malacca's historical architecture such as the Baba Nyonya Museum and the Cheng Hon Teng Temple. Visitors also can ride a show to visit culture tourism attractions such as the Standby and Formosa. From the luxury five-star hotel with the impressive meditation structure that is the nestled amongst the architecture shop houses to a Peternakan theme hotel that is the executive authentic that but don't break the bank. Our top 10 or the top 10 hotels in Jonker Street. First one is a Castle del Rio Hotel. So Castle del Rio Hotel is a Spanish house which is the right side of the river and a property sitting beside the Italic Malacca River. A house is the inside and the impress of the many culture of Malacca as seen since the 14th century. through the remarkable medication-inspired structure of the hotel. The hotel impressed immediately with the rock and the Kelly hanging in the driveway and the water features in the country yard. Castle, Castle del Rio, strategically located within a walking distance in the aesthetic of Jonker Walks and close by the tourism attractions such as the Christ Church and the museum. The hotel is the big one, making our stay personalized of from the welcome gestures such as the warm towel and lime soap during the check-in to the nyonya features under onde food available in the room when we are enter. Facilities including the rooftop pool looking the provider the city skyline, spa, library, business service and F&B outlets, one of the bar Rio, and lastly Angelical cocktail and the sunset. So these are the facilities from Jonker Street.
Okay. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the activities we can do at Jonker Street, Malacca. Jonker Street, the main street of Chinatown, is the perfect place to see everything merged together and can do so many activities there. This central hub of activity also serves as event for antique collectors, bargain hunters, and vintage fashion enterprise. At the Jonker Street, we can have a lot of activity, but today I'm going to talk about 5 things that we can do in Jonker Street. Okay, the first activity is Jonker Walk Night Market. Jonker Walk will organize with a wide array of stalls, polite and friendly hawkers, bargains, as well as live music coursing throughout the area. Jonker Walk comes to life in full color with a lively street party-like atmosphere. As the night market takes place every Friday and Saturday night, the handful of paths along this avenue does a roaring business with tables and chairs spilling out onto the 5-foot walkways. For those looking for the perfect watering hole in Jonker Street, we have compiled our top 10 favorite menus with great ambience, foods and drinks, warm hospitalities, and some amazing live music performance, keeping the street rocking until late night. The second place is Jonker Street Library. Jonker Street Library is an understand attraction that passes off an antique bookstore you would casually walk by. It was established to commemorate a Buddhist monk who founded the Malaysian Buddhist Association. Currently owned by the Cheng Kun Teng Temple, most of the books in the library are contributed by the public in Malacca. So in Jonker Street, we are not going to have some fun activities. There also got library to gain some knowledge.
Malacca being known for its Nyonya Fair, but at Jonker Street, the range of cuisine doesn't just stop there. Jonker Street has many cafes, bustling bars and restaurants, serving a wide array of local and international and fusion cuisine. Firstly, let's see about the Kedai Kopi Changwa, one of the Malacca's most celebrated dishes in chicken rice balls. And at Kedai Kopi Changwa, a coffee shop specializing in this delight, it is serious business. Conveniently located in Jonker Walk, Kedai Kopi Changwa sits right opposite the giant Sanshu Jong outlet at the end of the row of shop lots at Jalan Hang Jebat. Interior-wise, the eatery embraces the Malaysian-style coffee shop decor. Wooden chairs and marble-top tables occupy the floor space, with the hawker stalls being used as a workstation where food is prepared. Secondly, 11 Bistro and Restaurant is located along Jalan Hang Lakir, which is about 200 meters away from the Jonker Street. The restaurant is very spacious compared to most of the restaurant in Jonker Street. It's adorned with vintage decoration and furniture. Well known for its traditional Malaccan Portuguese fare, the menu is extensive and the food here is appetizing, albeit a little spicy. For distinctive Malaccan flavor, we recommend the Gula Melaka chicken wings. It resembles the taste of honey fried chicken, but you get an extra cake with crunchy sweetness as you sink your teeth into tender flesh. If you're feeling adventurous, try 11 Bistro and Restaurant. Best-selling sambal crabs and special curry devil chicken for authentically spicy dining experience. There is also other famous restaurants available in Jonker Street, such as Limau Limau Cafe, Harper's Cafe, Cafe 1511, the Baboon House, and so on. So I think everyone should give a try to all these restaurants and cafe when they are at Jonker Street.
Okay, as a conclusion, today we discuss about Jonker Street, which is a location explained by Kugi, and a special activity by Magis. Facilities are explained by me, myself, and lastly, environment explained by Indu. So that's all for today. So next upcoming video, we'll discuss more about other places. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.